Good morning, YouTube. John here. I just want to talk to you today about skylights. I have my own opinion on skylights and their installation, and other people may have their opinion as well. But to me, it doesn't make sense for a flat roof to have a skylight installed flat with no pitch to it. If you're installing a flat skylight on a pitched roof, it automatically drains. It's because it's at an angle. But if you're putting it on a flat roof and you're putting this, here's the roof and here's this skylight sitting on it, everything is still flat. So take a look at this. This is a 1-year-old building. I've been asked to come re-inspect it. And to me, this is wrong. This skylight does not have an adequate pitch to it to let water drain off. Not to mention, if you look at the edges, these are lips. How's the water going to get over this? It's not. Unless it was just really raining hard, a lot of water would get off, but it's still holding water here, right here. And this is just from the morning dew. It's not even raining here. That's water right there. So this, to me, is just not right. It's not going to, this lens is probably constantly going to be dirty. Because water's just going to sit here. So, being from the East Coast, which I am, typically in a situation like this, with a curb, which is under here, which is a wood framing, would be higher on one side, so that when they put the skylight on, it automatically just angles. And then if you look over here, at this smaller skylight, this thing's also holding water. This thing's only, what, 2 feet by 2 feet. Look at all this water. To me, this water is going to wear out these seals along these edges faster than if this thing was pitched and allowed the water to drain off properly. Can't rely on the sun to dry up the water, especially when it's in rain season. So I think these skylights will become an issue for this house. And what I'm going to tell my client is, my recommendation is just to have a framer come out here, take these off, build up these curbs differently, and repitch this so it's got an angle to it. So if you get flat skylights on your house that are flat glass, this is not the ideal situation. If this was a bubble type skylight, this would be okay, but this is flat glass. See right here, this is what's called a solar tube, and you know, nothing's going to sit on here. Everything's going to roll right off of it, which is ideal. And we have another one here. This one is also flat, and it's also holding water. And then we have another solid tube here, which would be okay. And then down here, we have a really big skylight, which is also, let's see, I can't tell from here because I'm 2 stories up. I can't tell if it's holding water right now or not, but flat glass on a skylight, it's not ideal unless that skylight is pitched. So, this is something, as a home inspector, I have to struggle with sometimes, because it's a brand new house, and you're wondering, how did they get away with doing it that way? It's always the big question on a new construction house. So is the builder getting away with stuff, or is this allowable? Well, allowable and common sense to me is 2 different things. So to me, it doesn't make sense. So I'm not okay with it. So I do write these up when I see them. Also want to point out on this one here. By the way, this is when I first came to this house a year ago, when I inspected this roof, I actually lifted this skylight off. That video is also on this YouTube channel. Here it is about a year later, and they fixed it, and this is what they did. This is the kind of flashing you would have installed on a awning type skylight, which actually opens, or this type of skylight being installed on a pitched roof with shingles coming up this way. This would be the top cap. However, none of this makes any sense. So to me, whoever installed this barely knew what they were doing, and to me it's still not acceptable. I would not accept this if I was the homeowner. Inadequate work, and skylights can lead to major moisture intrusion into the house. So get your home inspected. Doesn't matter if it's new or old. You got to make sure things are done correctly. New does not mean correct. Please subscribe and leave some comments. I'll answer some of your questions if I can. Thank you.